Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove a dustbin from iRobot Roomba i3. And to do this, first we'll need to take a look on this side of the robot. There's also the bin indicator right here, and we also need to press on it. That way we'll be able to remove the dustbin. And in case you want to open it, you will need to click on the button right here and then simply pull it out. Now to close it, we'll need to push on it until you hear the click. And then to actually replace it into our robot, first we'll need to align it to the left right here. So it should go in like that. And then on the right side until we hear the click. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.